Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So let us start with understanding your experience and difficulties that was associated with the summary writing of the earlier article based on the practical part surveys of drug use. Right? Before before we start with that, I would like to share my experience after valuing your first abstract, that is prescribing pattern. See, many of you are writing the article in a summarized form, but few people are having the problem in bringing out the facts under each heading. For example, objective, methodology, results and discussion, and conclusion. And before this, background. So those few students have to start focusing on these areas. You take any research article, there will be a background which indicates that the reason for taking the research study or a review article. Number one, what is that they wanted to do? That is objective. How did they do it? Methodology. What they have got after doing the research? It is results. Why did they got it? Discussion. And what is that they want to say about their study? Conclusion. Okay, you have to focus your writing on these headings. Got it? That is one observation. And few people are also using the sign such as uh, long hyphen, arrow mark, okay, and underlining two times. That is not allowed while writing this summary. Understood? That is not the professional way of using the signs unnecessarily. Initially you're writing it, no problem. I understand that you need some time to get the knowledge and skills of writing. So there is no problem initially, but please do not use such kind of signs in future. Okay. And the paragraph are going from Bangalore to sometimes Kerala, sometimes Maharashtra, sometimes Orissa, like that. You have to be in Bangalore only. Start with the Bangalore, be in Bangalore, or start with the Kerala, be in Kerala only, or Maharashtra. Okay. So see to it that your paragraphs are aligned properly for each heading. That's look like a printing one, because you're writing. I understand that handwriting will go here and there. Initially, I want you to experience, but later I'll switch over to typewritten one, because it usually takes more time. That is why I'm not initiating that. Anyway, you get experience also while writing the research article. I mean, your project. Okay, but you have to be in streamline. Everything should look neat actually, and this is what I wanted to tell you to improve. And last time we have modified the pattern of writing for the last two, correct? Manoj, the last one is A6, assignment number
A5,
A6, correct?
A5, 5.
A5, okay. With A4 and A5, I started telling you that use modified title, modified title. Last class, I have also told to write reference, correct? In Vancouver style. Vancouver style. Okay. Let us start with Mega.
Yes, sir.
Can you share your experience or
Sir,
difficulty?
first I found it difficult because I didn't know how to write. So I asked my senior and all. She helped me.
Uh-huh.
I wrote it. It was fine. When I wrote the second article, it was fine.
You mean A5?
Yes, sir.
That is a survey of drug use, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you find difficulty in modifying the title?
Yes, at the beginning I found because all it seems like similar only. So I took a little bit of difficulty in that, but finally I did it.
Okay. Did you write the reference details in Vancouver style?
Yes, sir.
How did you come to know the Vancouver style?
So from the seniors only, then I asked Aquina to send me the PDF because I couldn't download that Banco styling reference PDF is there, sir. So I read that.
So you got that PDF article on Vancouver style.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, Sonam.
Yes, sir.
Ah, can you share your experience or difficulties?
Sir, at first it was difficult to write our own title, but
Okay,
somehow I did it.
you modified it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vancouver style.
At first I didn't know, so I asked my friend. Then she sent me that format. After that, I did on my own.
So body of the reference, body of the art summary was not a problem.
No.
No. Okay. Lakshmi,
Yes,
Jayashree,
sir.
difficulty or experience.
I also found difficulty in writing my own title first. But at last I did it.
Then what about a reference?
Reference I download PDF and from that only I wrote.
Now you know how to write the reference.
Yes, sir. In PDF they give some example and the way of writing, how to write like that only I.
Irene Sarah,
Yes, sir.
any experience or difficulties?
Same like everyone, sir. It was difficult first time, but now it is okay.
Navindra?
Sorry, sir.
Navindra, yeah, that's thank you, Irene. Irene. Navindra, we are
Okay, sir.
going to Navindra.
Yes, sir.
Huh. What is your
Sir,
experience?
no difficulty, sir. First, reference and title part. Now, okay, sir.
Safisha,
Yes, sir.
Any difficulties?
So just the title at first I found it very difficult, but
Very
then
difficult. Huh?
now it's okay.
Now
After
it is okay.
so, but after reading 3, 4, 5 times, it's okay now.
Reference is okay now.
So the reference is okay.
So you could able to get the PDF article.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Marlene, Sarah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I find difficulty in searching or finding an article actually. That's the thing.
But other things, there was no problem.
Title part also, sir.
Okay. You can get the article from your friend if you have a difficulty in downloading or not getting the article. You can get it from your friend, not a problem at all. But you need to write the summary on your own.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You can do that. Sometimes articles are not available because everybody will be downloading the same thing. So you can do that. Okay. No need to worry too much.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Cassia, Korean.
It was okay, sir.
Any difficulties?
No, sir.
No. Giarly.
Yes, sir.
Giarly.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty you face?
Sir, reference part. Now it is okay.
Now it is okay. Good. Riya Pillai.
Sir, I also had the difficulty in writing the title, sir.
Now it is okay. You learned how to write it, how to modify the title. Riya Pillai.
Hello, sir.
Now you know how to modify the title.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm fine with it.
No problem with the reference writing.
Yeah, I referred that PDF,
okay.
and I asked my friends too, sir, and I'm fine with it.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
can you share the experience?
No, sir. No difficulty. It was fine.
Sherin Babu.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
It's fine, sir. No problem.
Aparna.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
So first I find it difficult to modify the title and also to write the reference, sir. But my friend sent me the format and now it's fine, sir.
Then Sai Srilekha.
Yes, sir. Same thing, sir. Writing reference was difficult before, but after reading that PDF, now it's fine, sir.
Tenzin. Any difficulty, Tenzin?
First, it was difficult in writing reference.
Now you are okay.
Okay.
Kamal.
Yes, sir. So even I feel difficulty in writing reference now, which is fine.
Riya Sarah. Riya Sarah, I am not able to hear.
Only the reference part was a problem. Now it's fine.
Manoj.
So writing both the title on our own and very difficult, but now it's okay.
Atira James.
Sir, I found difficulty in writing the title, sir. A reference part, I referred the PDF, so it was okay.
Nikita Vikraman.
Yes, sir.
Can you share experience?
No problem, sir. It was okay.
Aquina, Aquina George.
Yes, sir. Sir, no problem, sir. It was okay.
Kezia Rachel.
Sir, first of all, I found difficulty in searching 2-3 pages of article. After that, I got it from my friends, and later I got difficulty in modify the title and also to write the reference. But now I asked my friends; they helped me. Now I am okay with it.
See, I have told the research article to take it, which is having 2 or 3 pages, so that you feel easy to write it, confidently you can write it, and easy to understand. If you are very good at understanding, no problem with the 4 pages or 5 pages. You're always welcome to go to higher pages of articles also. If you would like to understand from the small article, I suggest you to focus on the article which is having less number. There is no restriction. See, I'm trying to make you people comfortable enough to get the hang of skills writing. But if you are very good already, able to understand better, and able to go through 5 pages, 6 pages article, I have no problem. Please go ahead, download it. More you learn, more the better it is. Okay, there is no restriction actually. You don't have to have that as a problem. If you would like to make your job easy, uh, you can also select ask a friend to give the article, because I understand you need to focus on other subjects also to learning. So I'll try to make your job simple. Okay, it is as good as that. Ashwin, Sony.
Hello, sir. No
Hi.
difficulty, sir.
No difficulty. Very good. Okay. What I understand today from you all people, there is a difficulty uh, in modifying the article title. This difficulty is coming because the article needs to be understood very well. Okay, the article needs to be understood very well, so that you can sometimes modify little. Majority you cannot modify. Sometimes they will be already concrete in nature, or you can add also. Modify means it doesn't mean that you cut short. You can add also. If the title is already small, you can add also, or you can subtract depending on the title which is needed. So modifying title can be either way: adding the information or subtracting the information. And to modify the existing title, you need a good understanding. If you have a good understanding, you can modify, and you can make it better, or you make it better at least for the sake of understanding which you have got from the article. That way you feel more comfortable. Okay, so I hope we have taken this into care now. Now, before we start with the new methodology, next summary, I want you to focus on the other things also. Like for example, now you are started modifying the title, correct? Modifying the title. Now you start using the words background. Please note down: background, objective, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, reference in Vancouver style. Okay, you can start writing the article under this heading. Now you start giving the heading, modified title, and also you need to write the actual title, which I have already told you. Write the actual title so that I know what article you have selected. Modify the article, you write it as modified title, write it as a background, that is why the study is taken, objective, methodology, results. Separately start writing discussion this time. Understood? Separately start writing this discussion. There is a reason for it. I will tell you what is the reason. Then conclusion, references. Okay. Now you're going to write an article like this. Now, given this situation, your article length will go up to 1 page. From half a page, it will go to 1 page. Even let it go to 1.5 pages also, no problem. Okay. I think there is no problem in understanding and writing modified title all this time. Correct? All this time there was no problem. Mega, writing the background.
No, sir, no problem, sir.
No problem. You're all very clear. That's what I understand. Objective, you are very clear. You're all very clear. Sonam, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Methodology, you're all very clear. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Results, you're all very clear. Ria, Sara. Results part, you are clear. You're all clear. Ria, Sara.
Yes, sir.
There is no doubt in this because the values are available and you start focusing it. Discussion, are you clear, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Atira, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Navindra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tenzin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I understand that you are also very clear in discussion. That is why we have got this result. Correct? Now, at that time, it will tell you in comparison to other studies, our results are comparable to the study done by, say, Merlin et al. Or Aparna et al. Something like that. Correct? You have read this kind of sentences. Sometimes they also say why we have got this result based on the past evidence. Cassia, Priyan, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, when you read such kind of statements, you are going to write the discussion for only the important result, major result only. And when you're writing, you need to subscript now, or superscript. Okay. In the next attempt, you start superscripting. You know what is superscripting? The reference number is superscripted. Sai Srileka, you know that?
No, sir.
Okay. Ria Pillai?
No, sir.
Ashwin Soni,
No, sir.
and
No, sir.
okay. See, there are three ways of writing the reference number. See, one research will be done with many based on the many research articles published. Okay, sometimes one research article or sometimes many research article. So while writing one research article for a research done, they collect various research articles and they write their references at the back of the research article. I hope this much is clear for everyone, correct? When they are writing, when they are listing the references or research article details, they will give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might have seen that. Or they list the journal, the article's name in alphabetical order based on the author's first name or last name. Either they list out the references in alphabetical order or in the form of number. Now, the same number, you're going to mention it at the end of the sentence by making it to appear on the last letter after full stop. After full stop, the letter will appear on the last letter of a word which you have written. That is called as superscript. Maybe if you have downloaded the article, you would have seen that 1, 2, 3 is written on the last word of the sentence. Anybody has seen that? Aparna?
Yes, sir.
I have seen that. Number
No,
appearing,
sir.
number appearing on the article, on the sentences.
Yeah, I have seen in reference, sir.
Not in references. In the body of the research article, the reference number appears above slightly above the letter or the word which is used in the sentence. Or discussion, the introduction section. Have you seen that?
No, sir.
No.
Yes,
Lakshmi?
sir.
Yeah, yes, okay. Lakshmi, have you seen that?
Yes, sir, I saw.
Kamal?
Yes, sir.
You have seen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is called as superscript. You might have also seen in other article, the number will be appearing at the end of the word within the brackets also. Within the brackets also. This is also one way. Subscript means it will appear below the word also. These two chances will be less. Usually the superscript only it is used. Actually, superscription of the reference number is mainly used. That is cited. It is called as citation. How many times one person has cited your article or used your article? So you don't have to worry about the reference appearing next to the word within the bracket nor subscript, but in the next article, in the discussion part, when you're writing discussion part, for every sentence, if you say that your result, this result is comparable to other results published by so and so, you're going to put a reference number in superscript, in the superscript manner. Got it? That superscripted number, reference number, you give 1, 2 only. Maybe hardly you may, if the research article contains 10 list of references, you may use 1 or 2 only. I suggest you to use only 1 or 2 for a key results only. That reference details, you are going to write it in Vancouver style in the reference section. Okay. in the discussion, I'll repeat, in the discussion section, you will write the points and you're going to superscript the points. You may give superscript of 1, 2, starting from 1, 2. You might have taken from 10th one, but you can give 1 or 2 to start learning. But that reference number should be written down as a reference number 1, 2, and with the reference details in Vancouver style. Got it? So you will have two kinds of references. One, the reference of the article. Now you do one thing. Don't write the reference of your article, main article. Now you start writing the reference of the articles which you have superscripted. Got it now? Megha?
Sir, I didn't get what you said, sir. Getting confused.
Okay. Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay. Atira James?
Yes, sir, I've understood.
Okay. So I guess anybody has any problem? Megha, except Megha, anybody else has problem? Just to speak out.
Sir, even me, I didn't
So I didn't get.
Okay, good.
Even I didn't get.
Okay. See, earlier you used to write the summary without heading. Now you're going to write this with the headings, correct? You're very clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you're writing discussion part, you will be writing the reference numbers also. The reference number which you're going to write, you're going to write above the sentence, last part of the sentence. That is called as superscript. This much is clear to everyone? Anybody is not clear? Please be open. There is no problem. Please be open. We are all learning. Anybody, if everybody is clear, no problem.
Sir, the reference part means what you meant, sir?
This reference number is from the list of references present in the same article. See, you have downloaded an article, no?
Yes, sir.
Last part of articles, you will have many references.
Yes, sir.
One of the reference number would have been present in the discussion section. That is that number.
Okay, sir.
Got it now? So, okay.
Yes.
Now, if you are very clear about the reference number which you have written in the discussion point, now you are going to write the details of that number, that is reference number, which you have superscripted in the reference section. Earlier, you used to write the reference of the whole article, which you used to download. Now, I don't want you to do that because you have already learned that. Now, I want you to write the reference number of the article which you have superscripted. Got it now? In Vancouver style.
Yes. Yes, sir. Okay.
Now it is clear now to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who do not understand again, please rise up. Okay. Now I understand that everybody knows. That is the reference details you're going to write, because tomorrow you're going to write the project and the thesis from this angle only. You'll be collecting articles, you'll be writing the details, everything in this fashion. So next time you will be writing the summary from this angle. And please remember, please write the actual title at the bottom of the reference for my reference, okay? Because I want to see which article you have taken. This is clear now to everyone? Anyway, no confusion, I guess. Okay, if you are all understood, let us move on to the next method. We are nearing to the short point. That is, it is showing this 1 minute. In less than 1 minute, we will be delinking. But link it back again, join back. then we can continue. Okay. Next part of the methodology is called as cross-sectional studies. Cross-sectional studies. What do you mean by cross-section? Mega?
Sir, taking more than one studies and like cross-checking with each other.
Cross-checking with each other. Lakshmi Jayachandran?
Yes, sir.
Any idea what is cross-sectional?
It's a specific duration, a specific period of time. We have to analyze data.
Okay. Irene? Irene Sarah?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by cross-sectional?
Sir, comparing two studies within a period of time.
Comparing to?
Two studies, cross-checking it.
Two studies. GRLE?
Yes, sir.
What is cross-sectional?